Hello everyone, welcome to our vlog. My name is Gretel Sarmiento.
And I am Gino Mark C. Ventura.
Today, we want to share with you what we have learned about empowerment technology. What we have learned in empowerment technology this semester.
We learned how to make photo editing, PowerPoint, and how to create a grading system.
Ipapakita namin sa inyo ang aming mga nagawa.
Una, ang photo editing.
Pangalawa, ito ang PowerPoint.
At ang panghuli, ito ang grading system. I also learned how to be safe online. Internet is a truly power tool. It can be used to promote your business, gain new friends, and stay in touch with the old ones.
We learned the different types of internet threats. The first one is malware, which stands for malicious software, and it has 3 types.
One type of internet threat is the virus. It is designed to replicate itself and transfer from one computer to another, either through the internet and local network or data storage like flash drive and CDs. Worm is a program that transfers from one computer to another by any type of means. Often, it uses a computer network to spread itself.
Trojan is a program that is disguised as useful program, but once downloaded or installed, it will leave your PC unprotected and allows hackers to get your information.
Spyware is also a program that runs in the background without knowing it. It has the ability to monitor what you are currently doing and typing through keylogging.
Adware is the last type of malware. It is a program designed to send you advertisements, mostly as pop-ups. The second type of internet threat is spam, an unwanted email mostly from bots or advertisements. It can be used to send malwares.
While the third one is phishing. Its goal is to acquire sensitive personal information like passwords.
At dito nagtatapos ang aming vlog tungkol sa aming mga napag-aralan sa empowerment technology. At ako nga pala ulit si Gretel Sarmiento.
At ako naman si Gino Mark C. Ventura.